ran into some starter issues on this old Ford. Also got to change the valve cover gasket. It's leaking oil everywhere. We got that big giant ass starter down there. And I'm pretty sure it's locked up because it ain't want to crank or nothing. Working on our 73 dump truck today. Broke down when we was at the scrap yard. So we're gonna change the starter in it. I'm hoping this is the only problem. Well, our dump truck went down at the scrap yard yesterday. Starter went out in it. So we're here now, getting ready to do some work on it. All right, so down here, that's the starter we're gonna be yanking out of this thing. Say it weighs a good 20 pounds, just the starter. There it is. Covered in oil and grease. Got a valve cover gasket leak that I need to replace. It's pretty bad. Alright, so I'm gonna get started on taking this starter out. Take the core down and get the new one. Got a valve cover gasket leak here. That's why it's all got oil on it. I need to get a valve cover gasket in it. So right now we're gonna focus on getting the starter out. You're right there at it. These starters are only 3 bolts to get out of there. You have plenty of room. You can take the exhaust off if you want. We aren't.
Well, somebody don't have
Down
two.
there. This one, usually 3 bolt starter. This one looks like it only has 2. So once you get that out of there, you'll be able to put a new one.
It's a bad spot. I hope it's only one.
Those flywheel teeth look like crap. That ain't good. Okay, so we got in the flywheel. See them teeth right there?
Well,
They're pretty ate up.
One good thing about it, ain't no big deal to change them.
We got the starter out, and it looks like it's more of a flywheel problem than the starter. So just my damn luck. Starter's out. Looks more like a flywheel problem than a starter problem. Got the new starter, so I'm hoping it will still start with that flywheel and it's just a dead spot. And that way we can run it for a little while at least, make some money. So I guess we'll see here in a minute. Let's hope this thing works. So we adjusted the teeth. I turned the fan to move the teeth and put better teeth on there so we can get it to start. Got the new one placed in there.
Yeah, give me a damn extension.
Alright. Got the new one in, now you just gotta tighten it up and then we'll get the hot wire to it. This is for sure just 2 bolts and they're like catty cornered. You got one up here at the top and then one that goes straight down at the bottom on it.
All right, give me the wire.
Let's get the hot wire on it now. Runs up here to the solenoid.
Need a wrench.
Half.
Yeah, it's up there on the finger.
I got it. We are just doing this in a parking lot at the scrap yard, so. Parking lot working. I'm coming. Fire right up. Fire right up. I hope y'all y'all enjoyed the video of us working on our 73 Ford dump truck that broke down on us at the scrapyard, please hit the like and subscribe, tap that bell for notifications of new videos. We just got some new cameras and stuff, so we're really going to be hammering down this new year, and hopefully we can do some big stuff for you guys. We'll see you next time.